In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom avatar in Synthesia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the platform, provide the right footage, and submit everything so your digital avatar is generated smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Synthesia. On the results page, choose the official Synthesia website. Look for the trusted domain and branding to make sure you're in the right place and avoid clicking on any ads or unrelated results. Once you're on the site, click Log In. If you're already signed in, you'll head straight to your dashboard. If not, enter your details and proceed. After you're in, you'll be ready to access the tools needed to build your avatar. From the dashboard, navigate to the Avatars tab in the left-hand menu. This is where all avatar-related features live, including the option to set up a personal, lifelike avatar that looks and speaks like you. Inside the Avatars area, select Personal Avatar, then click Create your personal avatar. This process guides you through providing footage and permissions so the system can synthesize a high-quality digital version of you. You have two main ways to provide base footage. First, you can record with your webcam. Follow the on-screen teleprompter and read the provided script directly into your computer's camera. Sit at eye level, center your face in the frame, and use a quiet, well-lit space with a neutral background. Speak at a steady, natural pace and keep your posture consistent. Good lighting from the front, minimal shadows, and clear, crisp audio will make a noticeable difference in the final result. Alternatively, you can upload video footage. Choose a high-quality clip between 1 and 5 minutes long. For best results, record in 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, with clear audio and a stable, well-lit background. Use a tripod or stable surface to avoid camera shake, face the light rather than a window behind you, and minimize background noise and echo. Make sure your face is unobstructed and stays in frame throughout the recording. Next, choose the voice for your avatar. Click the play button next to any voice to hear a sample before selecting the one that best matches your style and tone. When your footage is ready, submit it and provide the necessary consent. The AI will begin synthesizing your avatar, which can take a little time. You can continue working while it processes in the background. You'll receive an email once your digital twin has been added to your account. After that, your avatar will be available to use in your projects right away.